First Nations Technical Services Advisory Group, or TSAG, is proud to present the Home Maintenance Program. Did you know the average lifespan of a house off reserve is more than 60 years? Sadly, the average lifespan for a home on reserve is less than 30 years. Houses are greatly affected by maintenance that can often be completed by home occupants. TSAG is excited to introduce the Online Home Maintenance Program, or HMP. HMP is a web-based course that offers extensive training and information for occupants and First Nation housing departments to assist with home maintenance for the nation's largest assets, their homes. With topics ranging from health and safety to tips and tricks for easy fixes, this course is guaranteed to assist all participants with new and improved knowledge and ways to encourage capacity building. The course even offers a module dedicated to youth, titled Keeper of My Home, an activity area for the youth in the home. It is used to raise awareness of housing, healthy housing, and health and safety. The Home Maintenance Program is split into 6 modules to facilitate capsulized learning. Do them in sections or all in one. The option is yours. HM-1, Pride in Your Nation's Assets. HM-2, Health and Safety. HM-3, Everything You Need to Know. HM-5, Your Home Maintenance Startup Kit. HM-5A, How To. HM-6, HM Resources and Checklists. The program covers a wide and diverse variety of topics, including everything from electrical and plumbing basics to pet ownership and staining decks. The Online Learning Center through TSAG has bountiful resources to assist you with the program. You can navigate through hundreds of informative PDFs, checklists, and videos designed to assist you with your home maintenance. You also have a comprehensive selection of home maintenance, instructional how-to videos readily available. Being on top of your home maintenance not only promotes better health and safety standards, but can also save you time, money, and resources in the future. This tool can also be used by housing departments as Before the Keys training to ensure occupants are informed and educated on their responsibilities in the home versus those responsibilities of the housing department. Don't delay. Register for the Home Maintenance Program today by visiting tsag.net/training/home maintenance.